Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious grilled chicken salad. First, select boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ideally around 6 ounces each for even cooking. For maximum flavor, marinate your chicken for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours. Season them generously with a blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of paprika. This simple preparation ensures a flavorful foundation for your salad. Now let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned chicken breasts on the hot grates. Grill each side for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know they are perfectly cooked when they have nice grill marks and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures juicy, tender chicken every time, ready for your salad. Once your chicken is grilled, let it rest for about 5 minutes before chopping it into bite-sized pieces. This resting period keeps the chicken wonderfully juicy. Next, grab a large bowl and combine your chopped chicken with a generous base of fresh greens, such as crisp romaine, tender spinach, or a vibrant mixed greens blend. Enhance your salad with colorful vegetables like halved cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, and thinly sliced bell peppers for added crunch and nutrition. To complete your grilled chicken salad, prepare a light and refreshing vinaigrette. Whisk together 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar, and a pinch of dried herbs. Remember to dress the salad just before serving to prevent the greens from becoming soggy. For extra texture and flavor, consider garnishing your salad with crunchy croutons, toasted nuts, or a sprinkle of crumbled cheese. Enjoy your fresh and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.